All right, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the side view mirrors inside of a Toyota. All right, so I have a side view mirror on the left and I have a side view mirror on the right. And I'm going to be showing you how to adjust that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started with adjusting the side view mirrors. So in this Toyota, if you look down towards the door, you'll see that there is a knob right here. This knob right here has an L and it also has an R on that. The L represents left, the R represents right. Now to adjust the left side view mirror or the driver's side view mirror in my particular vehicle, I'm going to take this knob and I'm going to twist it to the left. Do you see that? It twisted to the left, and now I'm able to adjust the side view mirror. I can go up, I can go down, I can go left, I can go right. And I adjusted the side view mirror according to where I want it. Now, in order to adjust the right side view mirror, I'm going to take the same knob and twist it to R. Now, once I have this, I can go right, left, up, down, left, the same way I did it with the left side, right? So look at here. I have it right here. I'm able to go right, up, down, left, whatever I need in order so I can see out the side, right side. All right, and when I'm done with all of this, I'm going to go ahead and put it towards the center like this. Now, once it's towards the center, it is locked and it cannot be accidentally knocked and readjusted. And that is how you adjust the side view mirrors inside of a Toyota. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.